Far too often, we base our life on other people's expectations. Can you relate to that? Living according to other people and their desires or their hopes or wishes for us or their expectations will always leave you feeling unfulfilled, defeated, overwhelmed, and like something's wrong with you. I know for me, this was something that I dealt with far too often. And it wasn't until I came to understand my human design that I realized I'm supposed to be myself, that actually my authenticity is my greatest asset. And my human design gave me permission to embrace myself fully, like never before. And all of that's available for you. Simply put, human design is a blueprint or a roadmap for how you're designed to live and how you can come back home to who you're truly called to be. It is totally life-changing. If you're new to human design and you recently just discovered your type and want to know more about how you can begin to embrace your authenticity, keep listening because I have just the thing for you. Today, I'm going to give you advice based on your type, how you can begin to align accordingly. So, for my amazing generators, you're the active portion of the collective. You're supposed to tune in to what lights you up and respond to it. Take action towards it. So take a moment and consider what's lighting you up right here and right now. Even if it makes absolutely no sense, take a moment to see how you can respond to it and watch how life begins to meet you there naturally. To the amazing manifesting generators, here's a hint. You have full-blown permission to be multi-passionate and to multitask. It's normal to kind of have ideas here and there and they seem all over the place. Give yourself permission to explore each one of those ideas, each one of those passions. To my fellow manifestors, take a moment and own what you're invested in the moment. Own what you're interested in initiating or creating and give yourself permission to initiate or create, and doing so at a speed that's in alignment for you, not worried about how fast you're moving in comparison to everyone else. To the teachers of the collective, which are projectors, take time to understand and embrace your expertise and your wisdom. The more you begin to embrace and embody this, the more you become magnetic for people to want to invite you in and look for your wisdom. Also, give yourself permission to rest and recharge, because when you're well rested and you're recharged, you're able to be at your best energetically. And again, more people are naturally going to be drawn to the things that you need to be sharing. To the amazing wisdom portion of the collective, also known as the reflectors, you're taking in energy every single day from everywhere and from everyone around you. So listen to your body, and when it's time to retreat, give yourself permission to do just that. It's just like the old airplane phenomenon. You gotta first put your face mask on yourself before you can put it on anyone else. And when you take care of yourself, you actually serve the entire collective. So give yourself permission to do just that. When you give yourself permission to embrace exactly who you're designed to be, it's the most freeing and transformational experience ever. And human design gives you a guide on how to do just that. If you're looking for more support, more strategies, and a better understanding of not just your design, but how to live in alignment with it, I have just the thing for you. If you use the link below, you can get access to my upcoming totally free workshop called Living Aligned by Design, where I teach you not only how to understand your human design type, but how to align your life with it so that you can make shifts and changes to be able to come home to yourself, to live more intentionally, and to live on purpose and for a purpose. So definitely use that link below, and I look forward to seeing you there.